It's Varsity Breaks here with another Friday night of breaking. We got two breaks tonight. The first one is our 2021 Topps Pro debut 4-box jumbo break, and that will be followed by our Immaculate Baseball break 2021. It's just about getting almost to 6 o'clock, so we're going to get started here. All your teams are up on the board, so on the screen, so if you forgot who you bought, there you go. Also, I will be doing a brief recap of all the hits and low number cards at the end of the break. So if you're watching this after the live show, feel free to, and you don't want to walk through the whole thing, you can go ahead and just fast forward to the end. Finally, before we get going, if you haven't had a chance to, always appreciate subscribe and like on Facebook and YouTube, as well as Instagram. Instagram is where we post all of our bigger hits that we get. And then Facebook is just a way for you to get information on future breaks and things like that. And then obviously YouTube is where most of the people watch the breaks. So anyway, thanks again everyone for joining, getting your payments in quickly. I always appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes, good luck everybody. Yes, these jumbos are fun. I actually enjoy breaking these things. All right, so go one. Good luck. Here we go. And as I said before, if you're here looking for the Immaculate break, that will be immediately after this one. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to leave that piece of styrofoam in there. Just getting made a mess. As my son would say, mess. All right, good luck, everybody. Oh, before I get started, let's get the sleeves out. There we go. Plenty of top loaders and all that good stuff. So, all right, good luck, everybody. There we go. Pack 1, box 1. Julio Rodriguez, Wander Franco. I think last time I did sleeve the Wander Francos and Bobby Witts, as well as the Torkelsons. So I will do that again this time. Pomaris, Justin. I got an insert. Adley Rutschman, Chipper Jones, insert. All right, Chrome, Baz, Pawson, Luciano, Nuogu, Rovis Martinez, and let's see, this is Topps, so it would be a refractor of Cole Roederer to 99 for the Cubs. Oh, getting there. Cubs, W. Ma. Just going to stick to that. I thought I saw an orange card in here. That was odd. Luciano, Foscue, Soderstrom, Tino. All right. That was really weird. I just sworn I saw an orange card going this way. It was just like, oh, maybe it was cut awkwardly. All right, here we go. Not much to say there. Cody Hosey. And to 99, Hunter Green for the Reds. There you go. Hunter Green with the green border. Again, that's 88 of 99 for the Reds. And Star-Eyed 1. There you go. Chrome, Ramos, Morel, Batty, Herrera, Matten, and then an aqua of Jared Jones for the Pirates. And Kealoha. I feel like I butcher your name every time. I just need to be consistent. 18 of 75 on the Chrome. Oh, get in there. There we go. There you are. Lofton, Moreno, Nick, Bailey. That's it. All right. Still no autos yet. All right. York. And I think our first auto is coming up. There's Andre Jones, and it is Colt Keith for the Tigers. I was kind of hoping that was Torkelson. I'm assuming they have him batting, but who knows? Or I'm sure somebody does, but I don't know. Tigers draw first blood with the autos, and that is Dirtbags 35. Congrats. That one is not numbered. Corbin Carroll, La Rosa, Carlos Rodriguez, Foscue, Soderstrom. That is, it's got something on it. I can feel it on the top there. There you go. And CJ Van Eyck. I'm not 100% sure that's how you pronounce that. That is 48 of 99 for the Blue Jays. Kialoa. Haskin, Pena. Not much else there. All right. Kalenic. There's a Witt. Oh, gosh. Rodriguez. We got Wander Franco insert. Ooh, that's cool. I haven't seen one of these autoed yet. That is Nolan Gorman. Major scale. Insert auto for the Cardinals. And W. Marma. That's cool. Let's see if it's numbered. Imagine it is, but 23 out of 50 on that one. Very cool. He's been playing well. Or at least was a couple weeks ago. Very nice. McAvaney, DeVoe, Lofton, Nova, and a gold of Spencer Strider for the Braves. 45 out of 50 on the Spencer Strider gold. The Gorman, I'm assuming? Yeah, that's a nice one. And that is Eddie Kelly on for the Braves. Ed Howard, Gorman, Calabrese, and Campbell. Okay. All right. 2 packs left in box 1. 1 auto still to go. Pawson, Piquet Armstrong, and a blue to 150 of stuck to it. Tyler Brown for the Astros. Oops. Come on. Astros is Ben and Jerry. Jake Vogel, Carter, Bailey, Haskin, another Aqua coming up of Miguel Vargas. Oh, he's one of those guys. I want to say it's the Dodgers. Fairly certain it's the Dodgers. Let's see, the AZL Dodgers. So unless he got traded or signed, I'm fairly sure with Bowman that is Dodgers. But I'll make sure. 74 of 75. If it ends in fact the Dodgers, that's Baez 22. Actually, I'm going to put that one over here just so I can verify later. Groshans, Bisco, Noelve Marte for the Cubs. All right. Last pack should be an auto in here. Good luck. Ramos Hendrick, Carroll, La Rosa, and our auto is going to be Werner Blakely for the A's. And Baez, 22. Base auto. I decided to open up a box of this myself about a week or so ago and did get a Blaze Jordan auto. Base auto. And last one, silver, or refractor is Xavier Edwards. Oh gosh. I believe he's on the Rays now. This is probably Rays. 36 of 99. I know he used to be on the Padres, but fairly certain this is the Rays now. Rays is Jeremy. I'm just going to go Jerem. Sabato, Alcantara. Espino. All right, there's box one. All right. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Who are you talking about on the Dodgers? Vargas? If that's the case, yeah, I was pretty sure he was. I know he was in 2020 Bowman, and he was on the Dodgers. All right, box two. All right. See, I saw it again. Oh, it's a reflection. That's what it was. It's the back of that card reflecting off the chrome. That's why I thought I saw orange. Mauricio, Jordan Walker, Jared Kelenic, excuse me, Garcia Parra, and your chromes are Terang, Collins, York, Eck, Blaze Jordan, and Reed Detmers for the Angels. Aqua. 75, that is 69. See, I'm going to go with 69 to 75. Go. All right. Brennan Davis, C.J. Abrams, Jung. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I was right. Thank you. It's fairly certain he was Dodgers. I just didn't know if anything had changed. All right. Looks like we might have one of these autos. We'll see. Tanner Burns, Tana, Hassel, Dolo. Nope, it's a backwards card. Never mind. Austin Hendrick Power. And to 25, Jordan Walker, orange. There you go. Cool. Another nice one for the Cardinals there. Top loader. That one is 7 out of 25 for the Cardinals. And W. Ma again. Glowinky, Brewer, Criswell, Abel, Bush, and refractor of Jairo Pomares. I really need to know how you pronounce his first name. If it's Jairo or Jairo. 19 of 99 on that one for the Giants. And Tomas. Mitchell, Bishop, Herrera. There's another Blaze Jordan. And Stowers. All right. There's another Miguel Vargas, Dingler, Blade, Duran, Hank Aaron, and Michael McAvaney. I believe this is the Cubs. I remember him from last time. So Eugene, I believe, is the Cubs, the Eugene Emeralds, which is about an hour and a half from where I live. There's actually like 3 different minor league teams in Oregon. I think 3. Eugene, Kaiser, and Hillsboro, which is a suburb of Portland. W. Marma. Xavier Edwards, Alexander Vargas, Nick Frasso, Tyler Gentry, Matt Manning, and an aqua of A.J. Vukovic for the D-backs. D-backs is Y. Pete. There you go. 68 of 75. Criswell, Acuna, Abel, Manning, Nova. Oh, wait, I don't need to say all these people. Oh, yeah, Palmer. Okay. All right. 3 packs left. I believe 2 autos still. All right. Good luck. Riley Green. Dudes I don't know. Royce Lewis again, and an auto for the Orioles of Carter Baumler. There you go. There's an Oriole for you. Not the guy you're looking for, but plastic sticking out there. All right, there you go. Chrome, Tolentino, Kelnick, Amaya, Strider. There's an Austin Martin Chrome. And a refractor of Mason Wynn, I'm going to go with, for the Cardinals. And that is 33 of 99. Cardinals and W.R. Ma. All right. Batty, Harris Rutschman. There's an Austin Martin regular, non-chrome. All right, 2 packs left. I think the autos have been in the same place in both boxes, I think. There we got an orange chrome, I should say. Good luck, everybody. Nolan Jones, Nick Gonzalez, Freeman, Workman. There's a Tejada. And a backwards of Justin Turner to 150 blue. Another one for the Cardinals. Number 1 of 150. And that one goes again to W. Ma. All right, Chromes, Barber, Bobby Witt. Jose Rodriguez, Isaiah Green, Casey Martin, and good luck on the orange, everybody. Played somebody good. I don't know who that is. Shea Langeliers for the Braves. 2 out of 25. There you go. Eddie Kelly and the Braves. Cool. You got it, man. Green, Arovis Martinez. Okay. All right. Man, Mackenzie Gore still has cards in this. That dude's first Bowman was like 5-6 years ago. All right. I got a gold chrome. It's too bad none of the chromes are autographed. Oh, we got an auto. There's a Torkelson. First Torkelson, I believe. It's kind of miscut. It's got some, you can see some color right there. Alec Thomas, Blade, and Daniel Cabrera for the Tigers. We're getting every Tiger except for the one we want. Tigers again with Dirtbags 35. Swiney, or Cromer, Swiney, McRae, Schuster, Lang, Baumler, and then our gold, good luck. For the Astros, sideways card, Tyler Brown, 3 of 50. Astros, Ben and Jerry. Totally missed the A in Ben and Jerry. Sorry about that, dude. And okay. All right, that was box 2. We're halfway home. Got some nice short printed stuff so far. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah, I need to open up a new. There we go. All right. Box 3. Good luck all. Stuff's always a fun. I feel like this is a fun rip. It's not super, obviously not expensive, especially with the way cards are these days. Get some nice low numbered stuff. Get kind of a Bowman style. Ooh, there's a red. I'm hoping reds are to 5. You get some nice Bowman players. It's kind of like Bowman as far as the auto checklist and stuff goes. So that's cool. Another way to prospect without spending all the money you have. Carson Tucker. All right. Oops. I went on the wrong pile. Sorry. Get off of there. There we go. Sheesh. Get it together. All right. Mackenzie Gore. CC Sabathia. Here we go. Cody Hose. Antonio Gomez. Jordan Belazovic. Robert Hassel. Travis Swaggerty. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully it's pretty nice. Another Cardinal. Justin Turner for the Cardinals. Red. There is a print line that's going right down the middle of it. I'm not going to spend forever trying to show it, but it's there. There it is. 2 out of 5. Very nice. Congrats again to W. Marma and those Cardinals. Crushing it. I was hoping it was Nolan Gorman again. All right. Burhan. Cassis. All right. So there should be an auto. If it goes as it has been, there should be an auto here and then an auto on the top here and on the bottom there. It's been in the same spot both first 2 boxes. Vogel. Rodriguez. Mauricio. Belazovic. Oh, not this time. 150, Nolan Gorman. Oh, look how similar that's. I mean, the stance isn't similar, but could have been. Nolan Gorman to 150 for the Cardinals. W. Marma. 94 of 150 on that one. Chrome, Mata. Julio Rodriguez. Eric Pena. And an Aqua of Shane Baz. For, I think he's still on the Rays. I know it says Pittsburgh on here, but 35 out of 75, I'm fairly certain he's on the Rays. So the Rays would be Jerem. There you go. Arias, Brendan Davis, CJ Abrams, Jung. All right. All right, so there wasn't an auto. Maybe it's the bottom one. Little Blaze Jordan on the back. All right, Walker. Well, I was wrong. Hassel, Gotta be one here, though. Mariano Rivera and Xavier Warren for the Brewers. There you go. The Crew and Ben and Jerry. Oh, come on. There you go. Here you are. All right. Chromes, Lynch, Nolan Gorman, Calabrese, Franklin, Hunter Bishop, and Robert Hassel. Refractor. Padres. A nice one. 44.99. Padres is H-Man, 1313. Garrett Mitchell, Bishop, Herrera, and there's your Blaze Jordan. Alright, there we go. There's another, I think another orange chrome. Drew Waters, Josiah Gray, and Liam Norris. Auto for the Diamondbacks. D-backs is Y. Pete. Mm-hmm. Chrome, Bo Naylor, Yoris Valdez, Ivan Johnson, Tyler Brown, Andre Lipschitz, and Gabriel Moreno. That should be Toronto, the Blue Jays. Very nice. 23/25 on the Gabriel Moreno. Blue Jays and Kialoa. Congrats. Acuna, Abel. All right. 2 left in box 3. Bleday, Duran, Todd Helton, to 99, green Bo Naylor. Indians, or the Guardians if you want to go there. 54/99. And Chrome are Grayson Rodriguez, Isaiah Campbell, Xavier Warren, Landon Knack, Nick Gonzalez, and nothing. This is not a refractor. Just Cade Cavalli. Batty, Harris Rutschman, and Austin Martin. Oh no, is that my last one? Okay. Forget how many penny sleeves I use in this break. Oh no, I didn't notice that. That is pretty cool. So if they're on the same team between the pitcher and the hitter, then they form a circle. I'll have to check that out once we're done. I did not notice that. Or know that, I should say. Alright, I got another gold. Let's go with our auto. Good luck. Nolan Jones. Nick Gonzalez. And our last auto of the box is going to be, for the Giants, Nick Swiney. That's got a little bit of a left corner there. It's going to be hard to get. There you can kind of see it's a little bit bent. That bottom left corner. Giants is Tomas. Oh man, come on. There you go. Right there. All right, Chrome, Seth Gorey, Jordan Groshans, Gage Workman, Alika Williams, Clayton Beater, and another Cardinal. Jordan Walker, why not? To go with your orange paper. Chrome Gold, 10/50. Cardinals, have yourself a break. There you go. 10 out of 50. Again, W. Marma. Rovis Martinez. All right. All right, that was box 3. One more to go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, come on. Stick. All right, good luck. Here we go. Last box. Whew. Duran. Green. Adley Rutschman. Mariano Rivera. Cromer Calabrese. Bo Naylor. Yordis Valdez. Tyler Brown. Andre Lipskis. And for the White Sox, Aqua of Yolbert Sanchez. 13 out of 75. All right. Making pretty good time here. White Sox, Tomas, Batty, Rutschman. It's like the same guys. Austin should have known. Austin Martin was coming. Brown. All right. Should be an auto in here. We'll see. Gonzalez. Josiah. Oh, I can see. Okay, so that arc probably matches with that arc. Got it. That's cool that they did that. And out of 50, gold. Alexander Vizcaino for, I'm not sure. The Tampa Tarpons? Yankees, maybe? Finished 4th in the Yankees chain and whiffs in 2019. I mean, the pinstripes are definitely there. I'll verify that one, but for now, Yankees is Star-Eyed 1. Grayson Rodriguez, Isaiah Campbell, Nick Collins, Cade Cavalli, and our Colt Keith is our refractor. 65 and 99. Robus Martinez. We did not get an auto, so there should be an auto in here. Another gold chrome. Here, there's Torkelson. Thomas, Todd Helton, and Jose Tena for the Indians / Guardians. And that is Ben and Jerry. There you go. Base auto. Kirby, Hosey, Antonio Gomez, Gage Workman, Alika Williams, and our gold is a hitter. It looks like Josh Jung for the Rangers. There's a nice one. He should be up next year, I would imagine. 42 out of 50 for Panch Dig and the Rangers. Vukovic. All right. bunch of color in this one. I've had a ton of color autos. Julio Rodriguez. There's one in here, by the way. Wander Franco. Rays, obviously. Another Wander Franco. Joshua Mears and our auto. It's going to be green. AJ Vukovich for the D-backs. Diamondbacks is Y. Pete. That is 92 of 99. There you go. Xavier Warren, Seth Corey, Clayton Beater, Spencer Torkelson, Chrome. Alexander Vizcaino. And an aqua of Nick York for the Red Sox. Red Sox is Card Scientist. Oops. $47.75 on the Nick York. Alan Luciano. Soderstrom. All right. 2 packs left. Good luck, everybody. 1 auto left. So you get one more short or low numbered card. Be cool. Kerstad. Not much there. Jim Thome. And out of 150 blue, Cole. I have to look at this on this side. Cole. Oh, Roederer. I feel like I called his name first. I think I got an auto of his. Out of 150 for the Cubs. Oops. 133 of 150. W. Marmol. Groshans. Noelvi Marte. Alfonso Rivas. William Holmes. Adley Rutschman. And Trent Palmer. That's again just the base. Tino. Moreno. Not much in that pack. Alright. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Last auto, last pack. All that good stuff. Alright, here we go. Nick York. Alright, Grayson Rodriguez. And our last auto is going to be Mario Bautista for the Dragons. I'm trying to remember who he was. What team he was on. The Reds, I believe. Yeah, the Reds. Reds goes to Star-Eyed 1. That was not the best auto box. Alcantara. And our last refractor is Alex Santos for the Astros. /99. That goes to Ben and Jerry. 45 of 99. And Reno Haskell Pena. And that'll do it. That's it for the break, everybody. I'll do a quick recap here. Just get some of these things out of the way. All right, here we go. And they really don't make the gold and orange look that much different. Oops. How about these two over here? Lot of base autos. Holy moly. All but 2 were base autos. That's frustrating. Alright, here we go. Start with the non-autoed stuff. This is the Aqua /75. Miguel Vargas. Jared Jones. Reed Detmers. AJ Vukovich, Shane Baz, Yolbert Sanchez, Nick York. Golds, 250. This is just the non-chrome Alexander Vizcaíno. Chromes, Spencer Strider, Tyler Brown, Jordan Walker, and Josh Jung. And then our oranges, one non-chrome is Jordan Walker. These are to 25. Shea Langler's chrome and Gabriel Moreno chrome. And then we had one red chrome, Justin Turner for the Cardinals. Very nice. 2 out of 5. All right, autos. As I mentioned before, lots of just base autos. Colt Keith, Warner Blakely, Michael McAveen, Carter Baumler, Daniel Cabrera, Xavier Warren, Liam Norris, Nick Swiney, Jose Tena, and Mario Bautista. We had one green auto to 99 of AJ Vukovic, and then we had this insert auto of Nolan Gorman, major scale, and that one is numbered out of 50, 23 out of 50. And that's it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. I appreciate it. I'll be right back shortly with the Immaculate break. Thanks again.